Due to the increasing desire for comfort and safety in modern buildings, mechanical, electrical or plumbing installations are becoming more and more complex. Time pressures, staff shortages and last-minute changes make the situation even more complicated. Conventional layout methods with tape measures and chalk lines are not only inefficient but also uncomfortable when working on ceilings, for example. Leica iCON ICS20 allows you to simply transfer any MEP plan into reality, no matter what file format they are. The setup process is automatic, so that you do not need any surveyor knowledge. You can start to mark wall penetrations and hanger locations for pipes and ductwork right away, and without any assistant. Automated relocation using dedicated V-targets make moving from one setup position to another simple and faster than ever before. Leica iCON ICS20, used together with the Leica iCON Trades for Layout software, makes the layout process easier, faster and avoids errors, as up-to-date data can be directly accessed and used via an online connection. Get even more productive with Leica ICS50 in combination with the innovative V-pole with no need to hold the pole plumb. Points behind obstacles can also be laid out. MEP Layout. Yes, it's that simple. Discover how to take your business to the next level.